Is an Amazon seller account worth it? Today I'm going to be talking about the top 3 tips from Jen McDonald, our client relations genius, how to do better on Amazon. Okay, Jen's tip number 1. Protect your account health like your life depends upon it. Proactively, immediately respond to any issue with any consumer. Immediately attack any IP complaint against your account. On the one hand, you want to make the consumer happy. It's Amazon's consumer. We all know that. Make that consumer happy. Send them another one. Let them rip you off, whatever. An IP complaint, you want to make sure you get that complaint retracted. You want to contact whoever made the complaint. If you need us to do it, we'll use the power of the law, especially on baseless complaints, but you want to proactively protect your account health. Tip number 2, you gotta vet your suppliers, okay? You gotta vet your suppliers. You gotta confirm that they have an internet presence, that you can trace your supplier all the way back to the brand, that their invoices are detailed. You just can't buy from any Tom, Dick, or Harry. You gotta vet your suppliers if you want to succeed on Amazon. And step number 3 from Jen McDonald, client relations, frontline, boots on the ground in our office, is you gotta register your intellectual property rights. So who is this for? This is for you. This is for you who are developing your own brand. This is for you who already have your own brand. This is for you who has created your own photographs to sell products. Send them to the Copyright Office, file them. You want to protect your intellectual property rights. It'll help you with a couple of things. 1, it will build value into your Amazon-based business. And number 2, if you have a problem, you can use that information in your plans of action to Amazon to show what a great, legitimate, serious business person you are selling products on Amazon. If you want to learn more about intellectual property when it specifically comes to Amazon selling, here's the greatest book on copyright law for you. Here's the greatest book on trademark law for you. And if you are still sourcing products in China, you should really read this book, The Amazon Seller's Guide to Chinese Intellectual Property Law.